Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Kids, let's learn colors name. Orange, black, brown, pink, red, green and blue color. Kids, we are tracing alphabet A. A for apple. This is letter A. A for ant. A. Kids, this is letter A. A for aeroplane. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B for bat. This is letter B. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B for balloon. This is letter B. B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter C. C for cat. C. C for car. This is letter C. Kids, this is letter D. D for duck. We are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter D. D for dinosaur. This is letter D. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A for apple. A. This is letter A. A for alligator. Now we are tracing letter A. Kids, this is letter B. B for balloon. This is letter B. Kids, now we are tracing capital letter B. B. B for bat. This is letter B. B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. C. C for cap. This is letter C. C for car. Kids, we are tracing capital letter D. D. D for dinosaur. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter D. We are tracing capital letter D. D for drum. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. A. A for ant. B. B for bat. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C. C for cup. D. D for drum. D. D for dinosaur. Thanks for watching.